All right, guys, we're going to discuss how to do a couple of these problems. The difference quotient. This is implying our difference quotient, our f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Okay? Now, so let's go and do this 1 over 2x. I'm going to do it in stages. Okay? Do that first part. So x plus h means that's a new x. So it's 1 over 2 times x plus h. Okay? All right? That's that. Now, okay? Minus f of x. That's the next part right here. Minus, okay, 1 over 2x. Now, okay, here's the deal. It's fractions. You got to add fractions by putting them on a common denominator. A lot of people kind of had issues with putting them on a common denominator. Consider this as another option, okay? I multiply by 1. Of course, I multiply by 1 in the form of the common denominator over itself. The common denominator, in this case, is just, okay, the one denominator times the other. So when I multiply those, I get 4x times x plus h. Over itself, 4x times x plus h. Okay? So that's multiplying by 1, which effectively is doing nothing, because multiplying by 1 is multiplying by the identity. Now, what do I have to do? I have to multiply this term by that denominator. I have to multiply that, so I'll do it. 1 over 2x plus h times 4x times x plus h over itself, 4x times x plus h, all right, minus 1 over 2x times this common denominator, 4x times x plus h, over itself, 4x times x plus h. Now, we simplify. 2 goes into the 4 twice. The x plus h is lost. What am I left with? 2x over 4x times x plus h. Okay? Minus, now we do this fraction. 2x cancels out with that, leaving 2. Okay? Leaving me with 2 times x plus h over that common denominator, 4x times x plus h. All right? Now, they both have the same denominator, so I'm writing it as one fraction with that denominator. All right? Now I bring my numerators, 2x minus 2 times x plus h. Okay? Now, a couple things. I'm still at this stage. I haven't brought in this over h yet, so I can do that. Okay? Dividing it by h is the same as multiplying it by 1 over h. Same deal. So let's take care of this. We get 2x minus 2x. You can see that this is going to go out with minus 2x. Going to leave me with minus h up top over, okay, 4x times x plus h, right, times the 1 over h, all right, times the 1 over h, and you can see what's going to result in that. The h's are going to cancel out. I'm going to be left with negative 1 over 4x times x plus h, okay? And that is my difference quotient for that expression, okay? There is my difference quotient for that expression. I'll come back and do another problem in another video. That's that.